Imagine you've spent weeks building a library of common components that other teams can use. But what happens next? Silence. No feedback. No one's using it. But wait, there's one response, and they say they need a few things that aren't in your library. Join me in exploring how to change this and create a truly compelling and usable design system. Get an instant 64% discount for the Make Design Systems People Want to Use course at iDesignCourse.com. The course link is available in the description and comments section. A 12-episode video course to help managers, directors, and practitioners understand design systems as a software product. UI kits, component library, and design systems. Designer plus developer workflow. You spent days, weeks, or even months putting together a library of common components that other teams could use. You sent it around to a few other teams to try out. And then, crickets. No reply. No one used it. Wait, you did get one reply, but they said they needed a few other things that weren't in your library. If you build it, they will come doesn't work here. It takes a specific process and mindset to make a design system that actually gets used. SuperFriendly founder and CEO Dan Moll will walk you through the difference between component libraries and true design systems, new workflows for tighter collaboration between designers and engineers, how to measure success, and a lot more. 01. Welcome plus about the instructor. About the course and more about former SuperFriendly founder and CEO Dan Moll. 02. True design systems. How do UI kits, component library, and design systems fit together? Which of them are worth investing in and to what level? 03. Component libraries versus design systems. One of the biggest pieces of confusion around design systems is how they differ from component libraries. The short answer? Connections. 04. Avoiding design system graveyards. Without fail, every organization I've worked with has failed attempts at a design system. Why does this happen? Is it inevitable? 05. Pilots, the best way to start and grow a design system. What's better than creating a design system to make digital products? Making digital products to create a design system. 06. Embracing front-end development. Where do design cohesion, code consistency, and customer value converge? At the most important part of the digital product design process, front-end development. 07. Designer plus developer workflow. Design systems reach their maximum potential when they enable better collaboration between teams. In this episode, we'll look at what a fluid workflow can look like between designer and developer, especially when a design system is involved. 08. Staffing a design system team. Real talk about what a mature design system team looks like and how much money it takes to sustain it year to year. 09. Standard design system success metrics. How do you know if your design system is working like it's supposed to? This episode covers some basic metrics every design system should be tuned to. 10. Custom success metrics for your design system. Past the basic set of metrics that every design system should meet, find the ones that are specific to your organization. Time to push further. 11. Evangelism never stops. Buy-in isn't a thing you get once before you create a design system, it's an ongoing investment. 12. Wrapping up. Reviewing the 4 main takeaways from this course.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.